Hello guys, welcome back again. Sorry I had to restart. I was dealing with a slight problem. Hopefully it's fixed now. I should be good to go. Let's go. Now we have now it's also streaming on YouTube. Great. So guys, basically, well, okay, so first of all, I want to say welcome back because obviously now I'm on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm your host, MG Cree. Got this cool mic, and this cool leather jacket, and these earrings for Christmas. I'm gonna get an ear piercing. Hopefully, you guys got something good. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you didn't. Anyway, let's get into it. What I'm going to be doing is showing you guys the background. So basically, I'm gonna be talking. We're gonna have some music on in the background. Hopefully, you guys can hear me well. And I'm gonna be talking, and basically just programming. So I've got this code up. I'm going to be just coding because I'm basically going to be programming the GUI and also a whole account script, but that'll be over multiple streams, showing basically on I'm creating this basically for this this AI I'm creating, and I've called it Makrov. Yeah, it's in Russian. Anyway, I'm going to be programming that, and we can talk whilst I'm doing it. Also, if any of you guys have any suggestions on any stuff to add or anything like that, let me know. I can always think about it and maybe even add it. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just creating the GUI. Then later on off stream I'm gonna create. So I've created a bit of code. I'm gonna finish creating the GUI as much as I can. Then off stream I'm going to go and create a database in a different application, and then I'm gonna connect my Python script with that application, and then we'll test to see if I can create and log in to accounts. Anyways, let me just put on the music. So this music will be just playing in the background. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. And apart from that, we're just gonna get into it. You guys will get to see what I do, as well as coding in order to create the GUI. I'm going to have to go and also I'm gonna have to go and... Is this falling, or is that just my imagination? I'm gonna have to go and create a picture as a background image. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Not a bad song. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Let's just dive into it and see what happens. Let me just... Hold on, guys. So sorry for this. Okay. Now, let me just go into here. Oh, hold on. One more thing before I actually go ahead and show you guys my stream. I'm just gonna go into here and I just need to put that into chat. Oh, it's already in there, but oh well. It'll be in there a second time now. Anyways, right, let's get into this. So, first of all, I'm going to turn on the live stream so you guys can actually see what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to just basically put this on here. So I'm gonna go into here and put this on here. Basically, the code I'm adding in here is this website has basically everything I need in order to add the different widgets and stuff. I'll show you what I mean in a second. However, first of all, let me just check everything is working out on here. Okay. Anyway, right now I gotta go into. So I'm gonna show you guys what the GUI looks like right now. It's gonna change though. So first of all, if I run this code, run the module, you see a window pops up, and then this shows up, and this is the GUI, and basically this window, this is where. This is basically the shell for Python because that's why I'm programming it in. And this is what it's like. This basically runs the entire thing. So if I were to close this, this would all just close as well. Anyway, the cool thing about it is it shows me what comes out of my code. So right now I just have Makrov there, pretty small. I'm gonna delete that later. But for now it's like that. Also I've got 3 buttons, and what I basically have to do is just click one of them. So if I click sign up, see it turns blue if I hold. And what it actually does is I made it so it prints this out every time I click the button. Now not only this one, but this one also prints out logging in. As you can see, if I click that, it prints out this. Now this is a full screen application, which means that there's no actual way to get off it easily. You have to do this and click off it. Now, in order to make my life developing this and everyone else is actually using this, because I'm planning to release this, in order to make everyone's lives easier, what I've done is made a third button, close program. Now, what this button will do is when you click it, it closes the entire window. The only thing is it does keep this window open. However, when I turn this into an exe, this shouldn't open whenever this runs. So I don't think it'll be much of a problem. But just in case it does for some reason open, I'll make sure later on to add a script that basically just closes this. I'll just make sure to script it to close as well. But it's fine for now, and you can see if I type, it doesn't actually do anything because I haven't got type commands in. This is all just using GUI, and it's making the GUI using the Python module tkinker, which is a weird one, but as you can see, I imported it. I also imported OS just in order to do a few other stuff with module, and I imported sys, which is basically short for system, and this module is what lets me close it using this here function. And this function is run in, so if I make this full screen, that function is run in this command close program. There's 3 functions. Command sign up is the first function, command login second function. These will be connected to a database which will basically allow people to create accounts, and those accounts will be saved in the database, and also to log into those accounts and change their password and username and stuff like that. And the way I'll identify them is everyone that creates an account will also get a number at the beginning, and that number will just be based on how, like, it'll just be like a random number, and it'll basically be the identifier number. So if you ever, so you'll get emailed this number, and if you ever lose it, well then there's a problem, because if you ever lose the number, well, you know, if you lose your password, you might not be able to actually log in, because what I'm gonna do is with the number, once you have the number, if you want to log in but you forgot your password, then you can change your password. However, you need to know your account number in order to do so. I'll figure out a way to make it so that people don't lose their account or anything like that from this. I don't think they will. However, just in case, obviously, I'm gonna watch out for that. And the way you'll email them, I'm pretty sure there's, if I go into, so these are all the stuff I could do with Python, and I'm pretty sure sending email, there you go. Alright. So, okay. Yeah, I'll figure out how this works later. For now, all I'm going to be focusing on is creating the GUI so it looks better than just this blue nightmare with 3 buttons. Anyway, first of all, what is going to happen is I'm going to go back onto the frame widget thing, and I need to know, oh, the frame cannot have an image behind it. Interesting. Can the canvas have an image? No, it can't. Huh. What can have an image? Is there like a separate thing that can have like... Okay. Well, I guess I'll just have to have this on the entire thing. Yeah, I guess I'll just have a label on the size of the entire thing with an image as the background. I don't know how to add the images yet. However, I'm pretty sure yeah, I'm pretty sure I can find it. Anyway, I don't actually have an image yet, so there's no point trying to make it work. So, first of all, what we're going to do, though, is I'm going to go into... Wait, what's this? Oh! Oh! This... This is interesting. What if I run this, then? Okay, close. Ah! Alright, so, as we can see, the buttons are on this side of the screen right here. Now, the way they are like this, it's fine, they can practically be like that. However, I want them to be moved over to here, which means I need to somehow move these buttons over here into the middle. Now, that's not too hard, I just need to go into... Hold on, first let me just delete this label, I don't need it. But It's not too hard. I just need to go into the buttons and change the relative x-axes, and I think the way I should change it is to 5, right? If I change it to 5, it should put them in the middle of the screen. Okay. That didn't work. Right, well, let's see then. So I need it to be on 5, right? Okay, anyway, I guess 0.4 then? That looks about right. So if I just do 0.4 and then 0.4. Yep, buttons are in the middle. This makes everything a lot easier. Now, one thing I do want to do though is move them up by a bit. I think if I move them by 1, what happens? Wait, no, 7 I mean. Run. Okay. Now they're more in the middle. So what I'm gonna have is like images on the around here, going around, like surrounding these buttons, basically with a bit of empty space on here, and stuff in between the buttons, and then Makrov in like big letters up top here. That's what I want. So I gotta create an image, which means you guys will get to see me actually editing a photo or pictures in order to create an image, and you'll see how I do it. Which is a possible nightmare. Anyway, I think they are alright. I might make them bigger or smaller. I think I need to change how they look though. I don't like how the buttons look. So let's go into here, right? So the way I have to edit it is basically going into here, right? And I just need to do something like BD equals, let's see, hold on. I can set it to something like 4. With this, is this alright? I guess, let me change it to 6, maybe that'll look better. Yeah, 6 looks a lot better. So now I just have to do that in every single one. So if I go into here, BD equals 6, and here BD equals 6, right? That already looks a lot better, right? And now hold on, instead of doing instead of doing background blue, I'm gonna do background black, and then I'll set background black, and I'll set the buttons background to be... Wait, no, actually the buttons background can also be black, right? I mean, it doesn't look terrible with the image. It's gonna have like, it's gonna be black and then like red and all that, so I guess it's gonna have black anyway. But I think the button background I'm going to set, instead of black, I'm going to set it to like gold. Can I do gold, or does that not work? Yeah, that ain't... No. White. How about white? Maybe grey. Maybe grey will... Yeah, definitely not white. Maybe like dark grey. Maybe dark grey. Okay. Alright. What the hell? I can go here. Hold on, I need to find one thing. I need to find the possible fonts. So yeah, I need to find the possible fonts. King font. Let's see what fonts I can use. Okay, so come on. What fonts are there? Jeez. Okay, but what do these fonts look like? I don't know if can I like, I feel like images. Like, what type of fonts are there? A man can, fact of the day, a man can be arrested in Italy for wearing the skirt in public. Good for Italy. Anyway, where are these stupid fonts? Fonts list. Just give me a list of the fonts with what they look like. Okay. Let's file, new file, Control V, run module, test 2. Okay. Oh wow, this is great. I need something bold, kind of like something that stands out, but is also very slick and professional looking. I want this to be as professionally made as possible. So this has to look good, like this has to get people's attention, and I think I might have found my font. Cascadia Mono Extra Light. It looks okay. But then Korean New looks. Mwah. Ooh, what to choose? Oh, or Cascadia Code Extra Light. There's the impact font. Ink free. I don't know. What do you guys think? What font should I use? Ooh, Times New Roman. That one is always a good one. Like, I love it. Like, it works really well with a lot of situations. Okay, Times New Roman. That's what I'm going for. So let's do. Let's do font equals Times New Roman. This font never fails. Hold up a second. Let me just let me have a look at something. Right. So let me just maybe this needs to be in there. Hold on. $16. Well, if I got rid of that, which is annoying. Anyway, what if I run this now? Okay. Right, so that was the Times New Roman. Now let me go into, like, let me go up here, right, and find the old one. Where is it? Hurrying you. Hurrying you. So now let me go into here. Let's do font equals Korea new 16. 15. I think Korean New looks better. Either say Korean New looks better. Right. Well, I'm changing this, so I'm just gonna copy this. There's no point in me writing it again. It's really self-explanatory. And then I'm just gonna copy this. Copy. I'm going to here. And then I'm gonna do Control V. That's not what I wanted to open. Oh wait, I should have just gone into here. This has all the fonts in it. I need to start thinking outside of the box. Yes, this looks so good. Except I don't know if I like the grey. I think I might stick to the black background. Yeah, let me go to let me do background black. This looks a lot better now. Yes, that looks a lot better, right? I really wanna change the color of the border, but I don't think I can. But this looks sick. Man, I would love to have a program like that, like ready and just to use. Like, I would love to have that as an actual program. I'm going to absolutely love this. Anyways, so I guess I don't need this anymore, which is really good. Anyway, right now that my script has disappeared because I was looking at bits on there. Let's see what else I can set for this. So this is all for the button, by the way. This is all just to change the goddamn button to make it look good. Now I've done the active background, I've done the foreground, I've done the border pixels, I've done the background color, I've got command, I have foreground, I've done the font. Height of the button in text lines or pixels. Oh yeah, the buttons can have images as well, but I'm not gonna do that. I think having the I think what I need is pad X and pad Y though. Oh yeah. Okay. I can change the actual order of it. So if I do this, then basically what I could do is go into. So what I can do is go into. So what is it? What was I looking at? Oh yeah, relief, and I'll do relief equals. Let's see, relief equals sunken first. Oh wait, actually, there's sunken, raised, groove, and ridge. So I'm gonna do groove and ridge, groove, ridge, and raised. So I'll do, what is it? Relief. Okay. Relief. That is the right way to spell it, right? Ignore me. Anyway, relief equals raised. Relief equals raised. Relief equals groove. It is groove, right? Yeah, groove and ridge. Groove and then relief equals ridged. I think that's how that is how you spell it, isn't it? Oh, ridge, not ridged. Right. Why is this not showing up with anything? Hold on. What if I do 5? I don't know if this will help. Alright, so ever since I've put this ridge thing in, oh! No, I don't. How to change border type taking cut. Right, well, oh, I was lied to. Basically, this has to be lowercase raised. Why did they put it in capitals if it has to be lowercase? Ooh. I like the bottom one, it gives it a good effect. So, ridge is... I don't know what this music is, by the way. It's... cow. Yeah, I'm gonna change that. What was on? It was on cow. No, don't start from there though. Oh, it's here. That's not. No, no, first. Jeez. It didn't go far at all. It's only the 13th song. Now this is a song, not some weird ass thing. Right. Anyways, anything else? Pad X and pad Y. I don't think I need those. So I'll do pad X equals. Let's do 2. And then pad Y equals 2. Pad X equals 2. Pad Y equals 2. I really don't know if this is gonna work. Pad X equals 2. Pad Y equals 2. This should make the make the text at least 2 from there and 2 from there. So it should center the text, which is good. This looks clean, not gonna lie. With an image in the background, this is gonna look mad. Like, these buttons look clean. Clean as hell. These things look clean. My dudes, we are making progress. Yeah, this looks pretty good. I don't know if I'd want to actually change it or anything like that. I don't think that would be a good idea. Honestly. I do feel like the mic goes down slowly. Anyways. This is looking great. Can I, like, change text size or something? I think it's alright. What is highlight color? Oh, it's in American, of course it is. Highlight color equals let's do red just to see what it looks like. Right, well now it's disappeared completely. Wait, let me run that again. No, the button is not there, like... Oh! Ah, I put height. I don't know. Okay. I have no goddamn idea what highlight color is meant to be. State will be useful for later. There's also like flash and invoke. I don't know what invoke does. I don't know what the button's callback is. However, the flash... Yeah, it's I don't know, it's pretty alright. Can I change like... Can I change how big the text is? What if I go text... What if I do this and go 10? Right, so that's not how that works. I don't know if I can make the text any bigger then. I can make the actual button bigger, but I don't know about the text, and I don't want to make the button bigger. I just want the text to fill up the entire space. So if I run this, I just want this text to be on this entire thing, but I think this is better this way anyway, so I'm gonna keep it like that. I love how it doesn't look like I've done anything in this entire stream. It looks pretty much the same, but we've added so much stuff. Like we've added padding with the X and Y axis. We've added the fonts, so what kind of font it's meant to be. We've added relief. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've added quite a bit, but it doesn't look like I've done so. I just have. Right, I think the buttons are done. For now, at least, like, at least the look of the buttons is done. How they look is done. I have to do the image on the back, and I gotta make these buttons actually function, because right now all they do is this says signing it up, this says logging in, and then this just closes the program. And also I don't like how it flashes to blue. Yeah, I don't like how it flashes to blue. Let's change this to White? What about if it flashes to white? Yeah, I think that looks better. I'm just gonna change it then to white. White. I can't set exactly what I want using a hex code. I can't set exactly the color using a hex code. However, I don't think I want to do that for now at least. I'm gonna keep them like this. And then once I've got the image in, that's when I'll worry about the actual hex codes and see if the color actually fits or not. For now, I don't know what colors I want, so I'm not gonna bother with the hex codes. But I think it's alright. Now I just gotta have a bunch of functionality in the buttons, and I might add a few other things as well. Let me look at what there's circle, clock, cross. Ooh. Okay. I'm trying to watch. Right, I didn't get to see it because of this. Okay, but I just want to see what they look like. Right. So these are all the possible cursors. And I think what should I do for a filter? For a cursor, I mean. I don't want a normal cursor. I want something else. Can I make my own cursor for this? If I could make my own cursor, that would be great. Hello there. I don't know Russian yet, so I can't say your name. But hello, welcome to the stream. How are you doing there? And I don't know what you just wrote, but sure. What cursor should I do? I'm thinking diamond cross. But I don't want it to look like a childish kind of thing. I don't want it to look like a kind of program for children. I want it to look exquisite. but also I want it to look fancy, but also different. You know, because like most programs just use your like general mouse to change stuff. I don't want that. I want it to be a custom mouse, and I want it to look good. I just don't know what to put. I'm actually stuck. Most of these are pretty bad. Like most of these I wouldn't put on there. Like, who wants a boat as a cursor? Like, imagine trying to use that. So most of them I don't want. However, there are some, like the diamond cross, for instance, that do look good. I just really don't know if it's worth trying to put a diamond cross. I think for now I might leave it, and I might change it later once I have decided what I want. Maybe I'll make a custom cursor and then put that on. What do you guys think? I don't know what cursor type I want. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it and I'll decide on it later. I might have to just try and make a custom cursor and then use that instead. But that's good, at least I know I can do that now. Maybe I can do, maybe for a frame I could also do... Should I do it? Hold on. Wait, no, it's not here. Wait, no, it is here. Yeah, it's this one. Relief equals ridge. Relief equals ridge. Well, never mind. It doesn't change a thing. Probably because I set it in. I set it for full screen, which is probably why it doesn't actually change how it looks. Because if it's in full screen, it doesn't really have much to change. Let's see the others. Okay. Oh, I do have a canvas. Oh yeah, the canvas is the whole thing, I'm pretty sure. So that's how I do an image. I just have to put the image name, I think. I think that's it. Just the image name. Alright. Works for me. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish, right? And so I'm gonna finish now, and then next time I will create the image on stream. I will create the image for it, and I'll add the image so you guys can all see it. Anyway. So okay, so next time you guys will see how I do the image for this, and I'll add the image and you guys can tell me what you think. And I'll do that on stream. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. This is MG Cree.